barbecue.
Welcome back, Newbie Qers. Welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and it's nice to see you again. We've been doing pretty good on this channel. The channel's growing. Everything is just cooking right along. Today we're going to do something I haven't done in a while, and that's using my Weber grill. I haven't used my Weber kettle grill in quite some time, really, and I've been using my pellet grill, and it's great and all, but I really need to use my Weber grill. So we're going to do some cool stuff today. First, we're going to cook up something that I was going to do a video, and I thought, man, what can I make? And I thought, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make stuffed pork chops. That's right, stuffed pork chops. And I know what you're wondering right now. Stuffed pork chops? What would you stuff a pork chop with? Well, I don't know, because I bought these. These are stuffed barbecue pork chops. I don't know what's in them. I don't really have a clue. I thought maybe I'd look at them. They look like some kind of maybe sausage or something, but they're already seasoned and they're stuffed. Kind of weird. Anyway, that's what we're gonna cook those up tonight for me and the wife, and we're also gonna do something else. We're gonna throw on for the kids little drumsticks, little barbecue drumsticks. And I know what you're wondering. I just spilled out all over my foot. Look at that. Awesome. Cool. Great. Grand. I know what you're wondering. What are these? What kind of barbecues on them? Well, to answer your question, I don't know. So we're gonna find out together, I guess. So we're gonna go ahead and get those suckers cooked up as well. So stay tuned. I got the charcoal going. It's about ready to go on, and we're gonna get these suckers cooked up. Whew. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Look at the flame coming out of that. All right. Let's go ahead and try this. Oh. Woo! That is some heat. All right. Whew. Man, look at that. We're gonna let that cook down just a little bit. I want to get rid of some of that old charcoal that's in there too. And yes, I do leave my old charcoal in there as long as it doesn't like mold up or whatever, which it usually doesn't because I put the sucker in the garage all the time. All right, let's give her a quick clean. It's pretty clean. Always remember, folks, to spray your grill. Be careful because you will start a fire. Woo, like that. All right, so take that off. Set it down here for now. I don't have a holder. I need to make a holder, by the way. If anybody has any good ideas, I need to make some kind of a holder, but whatever. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and take these off. Now the grill's all nice and warm. If I can get underneath it here. It's still got the bone in this sucker. All right, so we're gonna stick them on over here. We're gonna do a little bit of offset, indirect heat. That's the word I was looking for. Boy, English is tough. All right, take this bad boy, just like that. Oh, see if we can get the little stuff off of it there. All right, set this one next to it. Oh man. All right, there we go. Set it just like that. Now, let's see. Let's take these. We're gonna put these on next to those. These will probably be done faster, I bet. What do y'all think? Probably done a little quicker. Little drumsticks. Just gonna put them on there. Put one over here. Put another one next to it. This is not very hot here. I'm trying to keep it away from the super hot part of that, which may not work the greatest, but we're gonna do it anyway. Put it over there. All right, look at that. Let's put the lid back on her. We're gonna let these cook up for a little bit. We're gonna try to just do this indirect heat cook for a little while, and we'll see what happens. Okay, we're gonna flip these bad boys. Just gonna do a little rotate on each one, just because we don't want them to get too done on one side. Just a quick little rotate, rotatey rotate. Oh shoot! Oh. All right, we're gonna take these things. I don't know what's in these. They're really dope, but they look good. Just keep rotating. Just keep rotating. Just keep. That's not the right thing, right? It's like Finding Nemo. Just keep swimming. Okay, we're back again. Let's go ahead and take this bag off. Set it back on the ground. I really need to fix that. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of fry some of these up. We're just gonna put them right over here on the heat. Here, let's do it like this. Let's alternate it. Alternate. Put those on the heat. Gonna let them kind of grill up. A little char on them. Oh shoot, there's another one. That one's already get a little char on it. Ooh, that's hot. I got charred real fast. Really fast. Oh, shizzballs. that got hot. Super hot. And we're gonna take them back off. Like I said, we're just gonna let them get a little char on it. Get them done. They should be done. Okay, take them all back off. Woo-wee! Same thing with these. We're gonna take these, we're gonna flip them over. Oh shoot. That was not the way I wanted that to go. Alright, so we're gonna char those up just a little bit. We already got these charred. Now I want to char them up, and then I'm going to have to flip them to get a little char on the other side, and then we're going to have to check our temperature to make sure we're good on temperature wise. Alright, here we go. Just pull them back off. Oh yeah, look at that nice good char on there. Woo doggy. Alright, we're going to put the lid back on, try to knock the heat down a little bit, and we're going to get our temp probe, and we're going to check the temperature on this sucker real quick. Let's probe these suckers. See, my heat died down already. Let's just take a little temp probe. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Make sure our chicken's good. Chicken is perfect. Perfect. All right, let's take the suckers off. Let's take them all off. We're just gonna put them right here in the pan. My dog is barking, by the way. He's really not happy about the kids down the street playing. Or maybe he's really happy about it. I'm not real sure. Take these off. These look just gorgeous. I'm not sure what's stuffed in them, but they look amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you. They look amazing. All right, that's it. All right, guys, I want to apologize a little bit ahead of time here. My lighting is absolutely atrocious. The sun's going down, so I got shadows everywhere. But we're gonna take one of these big bad pork chops out, and I'm gonna take a little slice into it so we can figure out exactly what is in this sucker, because I don't know. Anyway, I want to take just a little. Oh my god, look at that. Could you see that? Do you see the juices that came out of that sucker? Woo! Okay, put you back down. Let's take just a little bite out of it. We're gonna test it out just for you guys. We still don't know what's in there. Can you see what's in there? Looks like some kind of sausage, just like much more meat or something. All right. All right, so we're gonna taste it. It's got to be some kind of sausage. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is sausage. It's like sausage stuffed in a pork chop. Oh my god. I didn't think this was gonna be good, but oh my god, that was freaking fantastic. Oh man, why didn't I ever think about this? Dude, if you get a chance to find something like this, pick it up, try it out. That was great. That was absolutely fantastic. Look at all the juices out of that sucker. I know that the lighting's horrible, but that looks amazing. Here, see if that helps you. Looking better? No, probably not. Probably too much sun now. Okay. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys this time. I'm gonna go eat this sucker. I'm not gonna wait any longer. I'm gonna go eat this sucker. I do apologize if the wind's horrible. Not a very good night to film, I guess. But we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at NewbieQ2020, and we'll see you guys next time, right here on a whole nother day, a whole nother problems and situations that I put myself into with the weather out here trying to cook. But anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.